Do you struggle with meal prep? Are you constantly searching for quick, healthy recipes? It's a common predicament, isn't it? You want to eat healthily, but the preparation can be so time-consuming. Or perhaps you're simply out of ideas for tasty, nutritious meals. Well, we're here to change that. Meal prep doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be quite magical when you have the right recipes at your disposal. And the benefits? They're immense. From saving time and money to portion control and reducing stress, meal prep can truly transform your eating habits. But what if you're not a gourmet chef? No worries, we've got you covered. We're here to show you that anyone can master the art of meal prep with some simple yet scrumptious recipes. So, are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen routine? Stay tuned as we reveal quick and healthy recipes that will transform your meal prep experience. First on our list is a quick and healthy delight that is perfect for those busy weekdays. Let's dive into a meal that's as nutritious as it is scrumptious. Our vibrant veggie-packed quinoa salad. It all starts with a base of fluffy, protein-rich quinoa, a super grain known for its impressive health benefits and versatility. To this, we'll add a rainbow of fresh, crunchy vegetables, each bringing its own unique blend of vitamins and minerals to the table. A zesty homemade dressing ties it all together, and voila! In just 20 minutes, you've prepared a meal that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. And the best part? This makes enough for 4 servings, meaning you've got lunch sorted for the next few days. Now you have a recipe that is not just quick and healthy, but also deliciously satisfying. Next up, we have a nutritious, power-packed meal that will keep you energized all day long. This recipe, a delightful fusion of proteins, vitamins, and minerals, starts with a base of whole grains, followed by a layer of lean protein, and topped off with a vibrant array of vegetables. Each ingredient is a powerhouse in its own right. The whole grains provide slow-releasing energy, the lean protein aids in muscle repair and growth, while the vegetables offer a wide spectrum of vitamins and antioxidants. This meal takes just under 40 minutes to prepare, making it a quick and convenient option for those busy days. And the best part? It provides enough servings for 4 meals, ideal for meal prep. Just 1 cooking session and you're sorted for a significant part of the week. With this meal, you are not just prepping for a day, but for a healthier lifestyle. Meal prep does not have to be a daunting task, nor does it have to compromise on taste and health. Today, we've explored the magic that is meal prep, highlighting its numerous benefits. It saves you time, reduces stress, and helps you maintain a balanced diet. We've also shared 2 delicious recipes that are both quick and nutritious, perfect for those busy weekdays. Remember, these meals aren't just food, they are fuel for your body and mind. They're designed to keep you energized and focused throughout your day, promoting a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. So why not give them a try? You might just find your new favorite dish. Meal prep is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle change that can lead to lasting health benefits. It's all about making smart choices today for a better tomorrow. Before you go, do us a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more quick and healthy recipes. Remember, your health is your wealth.